Today we're going to bring a keyboard, and this one has a full set of keys. It's tether in, so you're going to require a USB connection, all right? You connect type A. It has every connection that you require. It has a full 10 keys that you, if you're an accountant or you're working, you're a gamer, you might use these things as for your advantages. It has, the keys are a little different. I feel them a little different. They're a little more flatter here, and they're more like they're not that loud as it is. They have all the line effects that you require. On this side here, you're going to see that there is a slant here, and that's actually to increase elevation and make it ergonomical for your hand, right? Now, on the back of it, if you guys can see, there is a secret theme here on the back. In case you drip any coffee or anything like that, there's a dripping areas here, and it even has a little dripping area here. So if you spill any kind of water, or you're drinking your Kool-Aid or Gatorades or anything, and you spill it, it's gonna drain out through the bottom. So, and it's not recommended, but it happens a lot. Now this one has one angle of raise. All right, you guys can see the razors here, and they do raise it from the back, so it could be in a certain angle facing down. So your typing hand could be up. So that's pretty much how it works, all right? And it does have some footings in the bottom. And we're going to put it to a test, and we're going to test out the audio and see how loud it is and how well it works. So let's go ahead and do that. Keyboard noise. It's not bad. So we changed one effect. So when you hit the keyboard, it does an effect right now, and we're going to break it brighter. So when you do hit a keyboard, and we're going to try and change it to another one, very smooth. And look, it's pulsing. So we're changing to different types, all right? It has multiple types that you can include in here. You could turn them off, of course, and mess with it. It has different lighting effects, which is great. Out of the box, it's ready to go.